Very nice Buick LaCrosse, comfort and convenience package number 1, auto-dimming inside rear view mirror, remote vehicle starter system, and universal home remote, comfort and convenience package number 2, memory settings, outside heated power adjustable mirrors, rear vision camera, and ultrasonic rear parking assist, 4D sedan, and clean Carfax. Buick has done it again. They have built some wonderful vehicles and this charming 2012 Buick LaCrosse is no exception. You and your kids will positively agree. Must see to be appreciated. This car has been meticulously cared for, inside and out. It runs perfect, looking like it was always properly maintained and garaged. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.